Hello, this is Jen Travers and just wanted to show you where that calendar feature is. So right now I'm looking at our grade 9 academic English classroom. So in the list, you go to classroom.google.com and in there will be all the classrooms that Sophie would have been attached to. So when I click on that three little bars up in the top hand corner, if I wanted to switch classes, it says classes. So it lists all of your options down below here, but it also has a calendar option. And this automatically links to your Google Calendar. And right now it doesn't show anything because we don't have anything due this week. But whenever I put an assignment on there and create a Dropbox so students can hand it in electronically or on paper, when I put in that due date, it puts it into the calendar. So this is a way that Sophie, in either one of their classes, that you can just check up, or Sophie can monitor where those assignments are due. And then even, I don't know that you can add to the calendar, but it certainly shows you when those assignments are due. So I just wanted to show you that the other good thing about paying attention to that calendar is that you can use it to create your own calendar, but also this directly, if Sophie was working and wanted to know when that assignment was due, you can actually, or what that assignment was, you can actually click on it and it will take you to the instructions to know what to do. So just wanted to show you that little feature. Not sure that it's going to help Sophie, but that it might allow them to be able to figure out when things are due, rather than just going through the due dates in a given classroom.